Sem cortes.
Sem cortes, ok.
Um dia então, esse dia tava mais um garotinho novo, né? Aquela época de fertilidade. New guy, new boy.
Adolescente, né? Ou a sexualidade assim.
Florando. So I was going to work, right? Or to make some course. I don't know exactly what I was going to do. The bus was full, and I couldn't get any choice to get one nice yes in front of me for me to go behind, of course. And then I see the reaction of the girl. Sometimes
Tinha uma menina na sua frente?
every time, every day, if I get some nice yes for me to go behind, I will go behind. It's that time of, you know, when you boy, like, you know. So, and then sometimes the girls do like that.
Yeah.
And then you realize that's not your ass.
Yes.
And then you go another way.
That's not your ass.
and then sometimes they even enjoy it themselves.
Yes.
So there's a place and stay there until even when the bus was full booked, you know. Then start the empty, and you sit there. Oh, space away. I have to move. But one time, that's not what I want to talk. One time I was in the same situation, right? The same. I was get a bus, right? The bus was full. And then I saw so beautiful, gorgeous, of course. And she even started like put up and going there, this left to right. She was enjoying more than me actually, of course. And then full. And then I saw the guy. And I saw the guy, you know how we call that guy who worked with tickets?
The guys who give the change.
Yeah, conductor or whatever.
Yeah.
So he was laughing. I don't know why, but I didn't care. I was enjoying. She was enjoying more than me.
Yeah.
And she was beautiful. And then I stayed there for about half an hour, 25 minutes. And the bus, you know yourself how long the bus takes to go from one place to another. Let's say Zona Leste to Parque Dom Pedro.
É longe.
You know what I mean? So, and then it started empty. Of course, I had to move maybe too, like, polite to continue there. So I have to move. And then when I moved behind her, I realized she wasn't she. She was a guy. Tava vestido, caralho. Aí eu olhei pra mim assim, só faltou falar, ok, e agora? Vai querer o telefone ou não vai? Aí já tava feito, só tava vestido. Mini saia, colchão, de costa, cabelão. E eu olhei atrás e grudei ali, ó.
Igual um cachorro.
Igual um cachorro. Grudei e fiquei. E vai e volta e daquele rola ali, ó.
Mas por que vocês ficam se esfregando?
Não, isso aí é coisa de um tarado, sem vergonha. Ou de adolescente.
Eu quero.
A passagem, amor.
Eu quero. Ó, Papai Noel.
Essa vai pro YouTube. Eu filmei tudo.